Brillanti Dance. Kull nhar ta' ġimgħa fit-8:30 dejjem fuq One.
Marina Malysheva u Kristina Buzova huma żewġ Ukreni li flimkien ma' wulidhom sabu kenn f'Malta wara telqu minn pajjiżhom minħabba l-gwerra. Sena minn meta faqqgħet il-gwerra fl-Ukrajna, Marina u Kristina, it-tnejn minn Kharkiv, rrakkontaw l-esperjenza tagħhom kif waslu Malta. Ma' One News Marina spjegat kif kienet tgħix f'żona fejn il-bombi ma jieqfu qatt. War li ħadet id-deċiżjoni li titlaq flimkien ma' wulida kien ftit jiem biss wara li dar familta sfaxxat fix-xejn. Spjegat kif żewġa għadu Kharkiv hekk kif jagħmel parti mill-armata.
My husband is in Kharkiv. This is the city which is very close to Russian border, about 30 kilometers, and there it's always very loud because there is a lot of bombing going on. Actually, never stops, and it's a pity that people living there they need to adapt, and they kind of getting used to this life, constantly hearing like all these bombings. They say that it never stops, not a single day.
Irrakkontat kif tħossa x-xurtjata li mal-wasla tagħha f'Malta sabet appartament hekk kif xi ħadd li kellu kuntatt ma' żewġa offrilhom post fejn jgħixu. Sostniet kif iż-żewġ uliedhom mill-ewwel adattaw u kif l-edukazzjoni f'Malta hi waħda mill-aqwa hekk kif is-sistema toffri dak kollu li hemm bżonn. Marina qalet kif tieħu gost tara lil bina jasal id-dar u jgħidilha x'tgħallem, fosthom anke kliem bil-Malti.
I find that education in Malta just amazing. When my children came here to Malta, they knew no English, they didn't understand anything. And our teachers, of course, knew that, and they were helping them to adapt. And it's been only 4 months of school, and now from each school, my son's school and my daughter's school, teachers say that they improved a lot, and my son now understands everything they say in school in English, and he comes home and he can say, my name is Mark in Maltese. I cannot reproduce that, but he can say I'm 7 years old in Maltese, and he can count in Maltese.
Kristina Buzova spjegat kif flimkien ma' żewġa u wulidhom it-triq lejn Malta ma kienitx waħda faċli, hekk kif wara li ddeċidew li jħallu pajjiżhom. Il-vjaġġ mill-Ukrajna lejn Malta għamluh bil-karozza tagħhom. Li ma' karozza kellha ħsarat kawża tal-bombi li twadbu qrib id-dar fejn kienu jgħixu.
We came by car. It actually was our first drive outside of our city because my husband had almost zero experience. So all this trip was very, very stressful for both of us because I was looking after kids who also didn't like it. My husband was driving and we were extremely tired. It's almost 4,000 kilometers actually if we just take the road from Kharkiv to Malta.
Spjegat kif mal-wasla tagħhom f'Malta f'nofs tal-lejl ma kienitx faċli jsibu fejn jgħixu. Iżda koppja Maltija offritilhom saqaf fuq rashom temporanju sakemm sabu appartament ieħor.
Very nice couple from St. Julian's, and they met us. They offered us some food and drinks, and we finally were able to sleep, in some comfort. Our kids were very happy about it, very much, and they were helping us a bit next day too. But then we found a flat and moved out. But I still remember this, heartwarming feeling when I finally found someone, some help from usual people, not like from some organization, that usual people also were really willing to help us.
Kristina spjegat kif ma tista' qatt tieqaf tirringrazzja l-qlubija tal-Maltin li laqgħu lilha u lill-familta b'tant ġenerożità, tant li anke l-ġirien tagħha kif raw il-pjanċi tal-karozza dlonk offrew daqqatit.
And when we moved to Slima, when we parked and our neighbors saw our car, we had a small chat, and all left. But in the evening we had a knock on our door, and our neighbor was standing there with a big basket of food welcoming us, saying that everything's going to be fine since now. You will get used to it, everything is safe, and you can live and enjoy.